bag? Okay,
Yes.
wait. Okay, chef is ready.
Not ready yet.
Okay. What about you? Little customer, are you ready?
Yes.
Do you have money?
Can you show? First, crust,
Yes.
ketchup,
Yes.
cheese.
Yes.
Want it all?
Okay, right up.
Okay. Okay. Put everything here.
Sausages, peppers, onions, pineapples, and olives.
Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. After number 6, number 1. Then number 2. It's like puzzle, right?
Yeah, like
And number 3. Okay. All the put all the cheese.
like pepperoni. Amazing pizza. Put on some peppers.
So you feel like you're a real chef?
Yeah, like pepperoni.
The customer is excited.
She's being hyper.
Does the customer have money to pay for the pizza?
Of
Of
course.
course.
I gave her.
Pineapple. How many pineapples? Now some olives.
Now you need to wait.
Customer, how's your day? Good. Need to wait for the pizza. 15 minutes. You wait. Wait, I'm just gonna go to the staff restroom.
Top restroom. Hi customer, what are you doing?
I'm sitting down.
Why?
That's because the chef is peeing. I'm waiting for the pizza.
Not because the chef is peeing. You made us laugh, customer.
You like my job?
Yes, so much. Made me laugh so much.
Chef is back. I made the chef pee. How old are you, customer? Oh, good.
How old are you?
No, how old are you?
She's hungry.
She's hungry, that's why she cannot hear.
My name is Staff Brett. My pizza is the best in the world. All the people love it. I love pizza. Yeah, it's from Italy.
I think it's done because it's already 15 minutes.
Okay. First, I'll turn off the oven.
It's hot, it's hot. Slowly, huh? Because it's a real pizza slicer. Yes, good job. Wow. Help with your hand, anak. Yes, and put here on the plate. Yes.
Here's your food. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna serve the extra pizza from the Philippines.
Really?
You love it? Where are you from? Are you from Korea? I'm from Italy. Credit card or cash?
Credit card.
I'm gonna swipe it.
Oh, I like it.
Wow. Here's back your credit card.
So you need to put back your ingredients so you can order again. Okay?
Nag-smile ta. so cute.
Can someone come to my pizza shop?
Yeah, because Daddy is still fixing my bread.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir. What's your name?
Good day.
Do you have money, sir?
Your money, sir?
Do I look like I don't have money?
I think you have.
But where is it, sir?
Where's it, sir?
I have. Yeah. One slice only. I want Hawaiian. On my crust, I want ketchup,
Chip?
sausage, cheese, peppers, onions, pineapples. All except one. All except this one. So I like all.
Except olives?
Yes.
You don't like olives?
I don't like that much.
Where are you from? I'm from Italy.
From Italy?
Yeah.
I'm from the Philippines.
Oh.
You look like my son. Okay. Is it here?
Of course. Why not?
Okay.
Now. Onions, pineapples.
Yes. Except one.
Except olives.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm as old as your father. As old as your father. How old is your father?
38.
Okay. I'm younger. Actually, this is my daughter.
Yeah, actually.
She recommended your pizza shop. She said she had a nice experience, so that's why I'm here.
Because I greeted her. She likes me.
Yes, because she said you're very accommodating. Hello, Tion. The pizza guy looks like your brother, right? Yeah. Good looking.
Maybe you are my son. Pizza guy, are you my son?
No way.
You look like my son, Brent.
I'm just a staff.
Oh, okay.
Because this is John, this is baby John, and I'm the papa, so I'm Papa John.
No. John is from.
Ah, it's
I
our-
think John's from Mexico.